Alright, back here on the farm. See a saw down in there. Got a nice pile of brush piled up so I can wrap the chain around her and pull it all at once. Got a smaller one up there I'm probably gonna add some too. But here's the end goal. Is I got this weird little gully here at the very bottom of the field. So I want to come in just like this and add all this in, because this is all, there's rocks and all sorts of junk in there. So if I can bring this back another 4 or 5 feet, and that tip up there, I'm gonna knock that all off. I guess maybe I'll take them two more out. That one, and yeah, then this spring I can get these rocks out of here and get all these stumps pulled, and we'll be all set. So I got 3 more. I'm gonna pull them, and yeah, we'll see you in the next segment here. This is just the first spot I've started on today, and I got about 3 more, so we'll see how she goes. Alright, got a big old mess going. Cut down this first one, limbed it out, and going for them other 2 in there. And you see, the plan is to knock that from there down behind that log, and that's about 25 feet probably, and it goes for a long ways, probably about 100-foot stretch that I've been working on here. And we're just getting to the end of it now. I got all that brush burned. I just got to get in there and pull a bunch, pull these logs out. That's from that tree, and I cut that one up, left that one whole so I can measure it out and mark it for sale for wood. And these ones I think I'll do the same. Not sure what kind of wood it is. It's some kind of junk wood, but it all burns. It's still good wood, so I'm gonna sell it that way. The guy I sell it to, he don't care anyway, so it don't matter to him. He just heats his house and throws it in there and heats it up. So I'm gonna work on them next 2 and try to get them down and show you guys that there is some stuff going on here at the farm. I know it's hard because it's winter, so ain't doing too much, but look at that green piece of grass. Yep, must be getting towards spring. So this is the second spot. I think my last location is going to be that. And it's pretty hard to show you guys, but there's a tree right there in the middle. It's all messed up and nasty. So probably take that one down, and then I think I'm going to work on taking this fence down here. There's some barbed wire fence I'm going to cut out and try to get that all cleaned up, because that don't need to be there no more at all. And then we'll be done for the day, I think. Just getting 3-4 hours in today and trying to open up some of this field, but this is what we opened up last year. Well, me, I guess I did it, but the got to get this one spot there cleaned and get this spot here, and then we're gonna have a lot bigger hayfield. I'm gonna be real happy about this. This probably is maybe 4 more cuttings worth of grass right here, this width, with the sickle bar, which is 7 foot. So that's perfect. 28 feet, that's about what I said, 25. So yep, that'll be 4 whole more passes Plus this here is probably 4 on each side. So I'll get 8 all the way through this. And that'll be probably, shoot, I don't know, 2-3 bales. Maybe 4. Pretty good amount of area if the grass will come up decent. I think we got a chance. I'm gonna probably, once I get all this stuff taken care of here, probably go over here and get a bunch of this pulled out of here and then burn it all. And then this spring I'll seed it with some good clover and timothy and whatever, some sort of fescue, and I'll get it looking real nice, because I want to make some real hay, make some good hay this year. This hill ain't very good, so I've been putting manure on it, and I think I'll probably maybe get some black dirt this year and spread that around up there too, and I'll seed it, because this is all fresh open up here. I haven't baled any of that yet, so once I get it nice and opened up, I'm gonna add some to it and seed it. That way I got some good green grass. And yeah, just amazing to look out and see a field of white. When I started, none of this was open at all. The trail here that with the quad, you could maybe get a quad through here. There's trash and junk and boards and all sorts of stuff you wouldn't even believe. So to see it like this is just incredible. To be working on the edges instead of the middles, that's big progress for me. I know it's slow going for you guys, so hope you guys like and enjoy, and I'm going to get back to it and get some more content for you. Alright, started with this post right here, and it used to go a lot farther over, of course, but it's been cut over the years and taken care of, and so got about 4 rolls of it out already, barbed wire, and there's 1 strand of electric wire I found, and so we're just getting up to this post here. I only made it one length, and I've already pulled that much out, and so I think from here it'll go easier, because the one roll here was from, I believe, the fence before this post. So we'll keep on rolling. I know you guys probably want to see me doing some of it, so I'm going to try to set it up so you can see some. Tried to make it so you guys could see some of that. Another piece. section here. Put it in these coils, just make it a lot more manageable. That's his favorite spot to sit. It's the Wi-Fi router, nice and warm. He loves the warmth. He sits right on there, so hidden behind the TV. He'll take his naps there and whatnot. What you doing, Mr. Bibbles? He's a good boy.